Welcome back, everybody. It's cold, snowy, and dark. And if you know anything about me, that's when I get excited. If you go back 10 years ago on my YouTube channel, you're going to find a recipe that I created called Aloha-YeeHaw Chili. Well, tonight, we're putting it with a hot dog. Are you ready? Aloha-YeeHaw Chili Dogs. Time to crack open the maple syrup root beer. Baby found these on tour last year. Let me know in the comments down below if you have the Blackstone Swiss Army knife. The first ingredient is Texas red chili with beef, and then I have a little tidbit for you. What? This is where things get crazy. We're going with pineapple tidbits and juice, half a can, and I'm gonna save the other half for a topping later. A couple of funny stories that come to mind here. If you catch me on the Griddle More tour this year and we have a few minutes, make sure you ask me about the time that I made my Aloha-YeeHaw chili for a Hollywood film crew about 9 years ago. And I'm also wearing one of my Twister hats. So on YouTube, type in Jeep Tour movie. Beside that, you can type in worst B movie ever. There's a part 1, a part 2, and a part 3. About 16 years ago, yours truly, when I worked as a cowboy Jeep guide, wore this hat and perhaps the worst B movie ever made. Check it out on YouTube. And my apologies, it's terrible. About a month ago, I found these dollar Italian loaves at Walmart, and I fell in love with these in terms of making my own hot dog rolls. And this is why. Check it out. You put your hot dog right there, and these are about the right width. So you can measure up what you want your hot dog roll to look like. And check out what I'm gonna do. We're gonna cut the bread and then one straight down the center, and check it out, homemade Italian hot dog roll. And I'm gonna spread olive oil mayo on the rolls. These are 100% Polish beef dogs left over from another recipe that I just filmed. And if you watch any of my videos here, you always see that I oil my hot dogs before I cook them. Plus, I season them. And today, check it out, Blackstone's pineapple sriracha. I think this is gonna tie in really good with my Hawaiian cowboy theme that I got going on here. And I'm using that brand new Blackstone 28-inch Pro Series again tonight. Down with a little bit of olive oil, and then down with those pineapple sriracha seasoned Polish dogs. And then I just use a set of tongs and we just keep twisting those hot dogs. See that? Look at that beautiful caramelization there from the oil and the seasoning. Now it's time to toast the homemade Italian bread hot dog rolls here. Remember, we're using that mayo. That's gonna give us a killer toast. As you can see, those Polish dogs are looking perfect. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous color. And I think the rolls, yeah, look at that. That's what we want. We want a little bit of color on top. So let's pull these off and put them on my Blackstone Griddle cutting board. Now it's time to pull those all beef Polish dogs. Check out that chili. It is steaming hot. That's Texas red with pineapple. All right, let's go in for the star ingredient. Look at that. See those chunks of pineapple? And remember, we saved those pineapple chunks earlier. And my favorite herb, cilantro. And a little bit of the pineapple sriracha to contrast that pineapple yellow. Take a look at that. I'm about to go Oreo speedwagon on these hot dogs because I can't fight this feeling anymore. Whoops. These buns, friends. Brought these to you a couple weeks ago for the first time ever. Massive difference maker. I gotta go in. Here we go. Let's give it a try. These are amazing. The mixture of the pineapple, the sweet with the chili heat, off the charts. The bun, incredible. Cilantro on the top. Absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried making my homemade hot dog rolls, because they are off the charts. Make sure you're watching CJ. He's got CJ's First Cooking Show. Make sure you're watching Desiree Blackstone Betty with Family Style. Make sure you're watching the Chef Nate Lippy with Cook, Eat, Repeat. And also go out to blackstoneproducts.com, because that's going to be your portal for everything Blackstone. So thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, this is Todd in Colorado. Praise the Lord and pass the Aloha-YeeHaw chili dog.